but you gave her only sign. I don't wanna be far from you. You're the air I breathe, you're the air I breathe. Help me abide in you.
It's that time of the year. I'm doing my makeup right now because I kind of have like 20 minutes to get ready. Let's go to the shower. Oh, I haven't done my eyelash. So just got to the shower. My hair was done. I'm gonna fix a few of my tracks because my tracks just look a little crazy and my nail fell off. I did press-ons because I'm getting my nails done again soon. So like, oh well, it's not. And I did not even have time to get my nails done or go. I just get my nails done. So I'm gonna do my makeup, a nice little beat. But this whole week has been amazing. It's like I'm exhausted, I'm tired, and like one of the main things I've been talking about this whole week was how serving God at a young age. One of the best things that I could have done for myself. Or I mixed the primer and I mixed the whatever this is moisturizer together because I didn't have time. I don't even know what time it is right now. Let me check. Okay, it's 5:16 and let me put my dust first. I'm trying many different ways to do my makeup and see how I like it. But yeah, it's 5:16 right now and I have to leave the house by 5:45. The reservation is for 6:30, but I want to make sure I'm there on time. Just in the case of any mishaps or anything, I'm there early, you know. But yeah, anyways, back to what I was saying about how serving God at a young age is one of the best things that I could have done for myself. And like looking back on my life overall, I don't regret anything and I wouldn't take back anything, especially because the fact is like, okay, maybe the one thing I missed out on was like parties and stuff like that everybody went to, but like I never really like cared for parties and stuff like that. Like for me, usually rushed makeup comes up better than like taking my time, but like taking my time actually came out nice today. It's currently 5:33, so let's go change our outfit. But these 18 years and living, it's been nice for the grace of God. Like I'm thinking about it, I was thinking about it like, wow, I was doing my makeup and I was like, that really been good to me. Like, are you serious? Anyways, like my face was cute. I'll show you the actual like whole thing. My final outfit on. I love when the outfit starts coming out exactly like you imagine.
Thank you. Well, happy birthday, ma'am.
Thank you. Oh, do I blow it out?
A whole 18 years. Are you not excited?
I don't blow that out. This is not lava, sweet chocolate. We have made it home. I'm ready to go to sleep. I have to study for a test, but I like Holy Spirit's gonna help me. And when I get back tomorrow, we're gonna be packing. Part 2. I forgot to wash off my makeup last night. I don't have school today. Hey vlog, we've officially arrived. Let me show you the view on the outside, but we're inside by the check-in to our hotel right now.
Watch out for yourself because yourself may not be so great. And then you come in right there. Okay. Okay. So basically. Okay. So basically, who wants to hold the phone? I hold it. You hold it. Your video.
You gotta. That's right. That's right. That makes sense. That makes sense.
Okay. Okay. So I guess okay. You didn't say anything. I told you to wait. Hey guys, we're in the car. No space. Hopefully no police catches us. At least if we die, we're gonna die together, okay? Have faith. We're walking away. Why? The way the weight change on the Okay, so we just ordered ramen, and now where are you going?
Girl, the boba place.
No, it says mochi more than just a donut. They have boba here. And it's Korean corn dog too. I want to get a hello. Okay, guys, so we're trying mochi donuts. So this is what we got. I forgot what's this one. Thai,
churro, and then
original. So she started trying churro. So it's pretty good. Oh wow, this is good. And the inside is good.
Oh, thank you.
I like the texture. It's not too gooey.
It's not too sweet. It's a little.
What do you give it?
Yeah.
What do you give out of 10?
Out of 10, it's like a 6.8.
This one. 7.
7. Okay, what's round? 7. This is 7.
The texture is really, really chewy.
I want to crack that.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, there you go. This is original. Okay, so the last
original.
one. We did original. It was pretty good. What do you think?
6.5.
6.5. Okay, 6.5. It was not too bad. Okay, hi. This is like a cereal.
Cereal milk, like the bottom of your cereal.
Like a
This is what
fruity
it's giving.
cereal.
It's actually good. A fruity pebble.
Yeah, the milk at the bottom.
It's good.
Fruity pebble.
This is the place.
It's
In
called.
case you're in Vegas.
I'm in Vegas. Go try that out. It was definitely good. And then overall, it's a whole 8 out of 10.
Okay, there you go.
Okay. Oh, why is my hair literally coming out? Like when I dance, that's why it's like this, but no way.
After you get a license, there's no such thing as just being a passenger. So there's 2 hours and 30 minutes left. I just took a bath break because I was getting tired while I was sleeping. So I'm gonna grab a snack, but I'm tired. I'm gonna be in my bed. We won't get to like 9. And we have to go to church right after. So we're literally gonna go home, change, and go straight to church.
Really, Malaika? Really? Happy birthday, Malaika.
Go there, bro.
And then let me have mine.
I have my braces in there.
This one is for my Gabby. I see, Gabby, I see. She didn't a birthday girl, she did one of the birthday girl.
Well, you know what he sent me on my birthday? He said I'm not the graduate, I'm not a birthday girl, I'm the birthday girl's crazy uncle. Eat it.
I'm not the birthday girl. I'm the big sister.
Eat it. That you to see you. Everybody has seen you at this point. No. Bus goes open and shut. Open and shut. Open and shut. Mommy on the bus says, ah, through the town.
The fake content is crazy. Gabby, record.
Cook, say hi. Say hi. Hi.
Cook, say hi. Hi. Hi.